Hello guys, and welcome to our apartment tour. So we are at the Palm Jumeriah. So this is one bedroom apartment in the 7 Palm Hotel and Apartments. So I'm gonna show you around. So to the right here, we have a guest bathroom, or like a toilet more. It's quite small, but it works. It's perfect if you have guests. And then to the left here, we have the kitchen, which is kind of good size for a 1 bedroom apartment. We have a quite big fridge and a freezer. And then the laundry, which we probably have covered up if this was our own apartment, but it works. Microwave, we have the stove with the oven, which is gas, which you put on here. It's like you can hear it's on.
Yeah.
We're not really used to this, so every time we use it, it's kind of scary. But anyway, it
Yeah, we're
works.
scared we're gonna blow up the place.
Exactly.
I've seen too many bad movies.
And then we have the sink here. There's no dishwasher, but we're only 2, so it works to just dish it up.
And it's an open kitchen, right?
Exactly, which we in Europe like. I know other country doesn't like this, but we love it because you get in the light. Otherwise, this place has been quite dark, especially when it's not that big. And then if we continue here, we have a small storage place here. We can put bags, the shoes and everything, which is great. Because that's normally an issue here in Dubai with the apartments, that there's no storage. But this apartment has quite a lot of storage. Then we have a small dinner area here, which is kind of good size. And then if we continue here, we have a really nice couch. Quite soft. My mom was sleeping here when she was here and she liked it. So it's good if you have guests. Quite big TV, some storage here as well. Good size on that one.
Yeah, now normally the storage is the problem, right? We've been staying in Airbnbs or different hotels and Airbnbs now. I think we calculated it was 30 or 40 this year. And the storage is always an issue.
So here in Dubai, we actually have another storage where we have the big suitcases and stuff. If we go away, we keep it here. So it's kind of good.
Yeah, so this is because it's our base and we don't have any permanent apartment.
Yeah, especially when we normally live at the hotels. The hotel room is so small. So if you have 4 big suitcases taking up the whole room. So anyway, let's continue here to the bedroom, the master bedroom, which is also a good size. It has a lot of storage here. It has a working desk here. It's perfect when Jacob's here taking his meetings. It's quite big size of the bed as well. Good light here. Probably not the best view because you have another apartment building here. But if you come over here, you can actually see the Atlantis there.
The new Royal Atlantis, yes.
And the big
Nakilmo.
Nakilmo. And then if we continue here, we have
Wardrobes.
the wardrobes, some storage for our clothes, which kind of good size as well, fit most of the stuff.
And our big bags as well, which we hate looking at.
And then we go into the bigger bathroom, which is not the biggest size, but it works. It has this, one sink, good storage for the toilet things, and then, I don't know, both of us can't really see this here, but we have the shower here. And that's something that I need to fix, is the filter for the shower, because that's not great here in Dubai. It's gonna destroy my hair and my scalp, so I need to fix that.
Yeah, we'll see if we can figure that out. So about the view.
So if we go over here, so we have the one balcony there, or it's a big balcony, so you can go out from the bedroom and from the living room. So if we continue here, so this balcony is quite long, it's quite tight, but it's a nice size. We can have our clothes and everything. And then look at this view. We have the Atlantis there, we have the Nakilmo. It's great, and you can go from both sides.
And we have the traffic obviously, but you can hear it out here on the balcony.
Yeah, but in the apartment you don't really hear it. And it's good because you can see when it's getting the rush hour, so we can plan when we have to go or not.
Yeah, obviously we would have preferred to have the view towards West Palm Beach, which would be behind us, but I mean the price would probably be
double.
Yeah, probably wouldn't be reasonable. So, but we still enjoy it here, and we get also the sunset here.
So as I said, we are staying at 7 Palm here at the Palm Jumeriah at the West Beach. So what's nice with this apartment is that you get a good gym at the first floor. It's really good. It's quite big. We're gonna show you later. And it also have the big rooftop pool, which is amazing. It's probably one of the best pool views in Dubai. You have over the whole marina, some of the palm.
Yeah, it's an infinity pool.
And the sunset is really great there as well.
Yeah, you will see that later in the video, but make sure you stay because it's the one view you want to see.
And we love this area because it have all the beach clubs as well, and you can actually access the beach if you stay here as well. So you have the good gym, you have a beautiful rooftop pool, and also a beach.
Yeah, and the apartment is not too bad either. It's not the newest, but it seems like they fixed it up a bit.
Yeah, and I like the light as well because that's really hard to find here in Dubai, and it's really important for us because we're working from home. So I really like this apartment, and normally we stay at hotel, but it's quite nice to have a kitchen, a quite big storage, so that's great. Anyway, so if we discuss the prices then, so we are staying here short term, which of course is going to be more expensive than if you take a long-term contract. But if we can compare to the hotels, this is actually a really good price. So we are paying 11,000 dirham, which is around just under 3,000 euro, which is a really good price if you compare to everything you get, and you have the whole West Beach Palm, which is really nice.
Yeah, the hotels here, and especially now because it's winter, right?
Yeah, it's really expensive. So if you stay at the same place but with the hotel, I think it's over 300 euro per night. So if you compare that to just under 3,000 euro, it's actually a really good price for this place. And now this winter we booked it for 4 months, so we're gonna be here and then go away and then come back here again.
I think that's important to note, that it's of course about having the right contacts and knowing the people who are actually organizing the apartments, because then if you can do multiple months, it's a better deal for them and you can lower the price.
Exactly. Compare if we're gonna stay at the marina, if you're gonna do Airbnb there, that's over 5,000-6,000 euro per month.
Probably even more sometimes in January.
If you go for the high season, which we always are in Dubai, of course, getting the highest price.
We are down by the beach now, so this is actually the beach area for the hotel and the apartment. So this is actually included in our price, which is it looks pretty decent. It looks like a normal beach club, and they actually have service down here, so you can get food and drinks and whatnot. You just have to get a bracelet that we're gonna get for this weekend, not today. And then you can be enjoying the beautiful beach here. Well, we're done with our walk. We got our D vitamins. We're at the sun, heading back to the gym. That's the residential part. And on this side, you would have the hotel part, but they are interconnected by the infinity pool there on the top. So you can get access to both buildings, essentially. Looks lovely. The gym, easily accessible on the ground floor. So let's check it out. Let's do the workout.
Let me show you the best thing with this apartment.
This is what you get for $3,000 in Dubai.
It's not too bad with this view.
No, and I mean, just this rooftop pool, I think it's worth just that, even if we were living in a wardrobe.
Yeah, the apartment might not be that exciting, but if you get this, it's make it just it.
I think, yeah, as this is pretty newly opened up, I'm pretty sure that the prices will be increasing here fairly soon. If we talk about infinity pools, we haven't really seen anyone that's better than this one.
Except probably the 360.
Yeah, which we haven't tried yet, and that one is a lot more expensive.
But with this hotel, you also got cafes and ground floor. You have British pub. Then in the evening you have a restaurant here, which looks really nice. We haven't tried it yet.
Yes, we have to try it out before, but we have a few more months here, so we can't complain. Also, there are paddle courts. There's a lot of activities close by. You never get tired of things to do here.
And also a lot of walking area as well, which is hard to find.
Yes, but that's it for this week. Stay tuned for more stuff from Dubai and our travels this winter coming up soon.
Yeah, see you in the next one.